Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a fuel injector out of a 6.7 Powerstroke diesel motor without any special tools. This is the tool that you're going to use to remove the injector. It is a piece of the fuel line that came off of one of these injectors, and you simply cut it and bend it like so to give it a notch that you can catch with a pry bar. To use this tool, install it on the fuel injector like so, and once you've installed it, you want to make sure that notch is pointing up at an angle where you can catch it with a pry bar. And then you're going to grab a long pry bar and pry gently up, and this pulls the fuel injector out without cracking it or doing any damage to the injector or the cylinder bore or any of your surrounding electronics. This is the best way to remove these fuel injectors because it doesn't cost you anything to make this tool because you're replacing the lines anyway, and also you don't crack the injector and lose your core charge. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you like this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.